will analyze Bitcoin and Australian dollar. So we will analyze this pair on a lower time frame and discuss the day trade setup, what we have on a day trade setup. So here we have H4 time frame chart. So as we see, this pair is very much bullish all the way down, and it create a long such a bearish candle, and then create a support at this point, and then go above and test this level, and then again go down all the way, and then create again such a long wick of a bearish candle, then again create support at this level. So it means this is a very good level of support now, double bottom support. Also then it goes up, break this structure, and test this level. So these both level are very strong levels now. So market now just test this level and now retracing back down. It may be come down to test this level, so let's use Fibonacci retracement and see how much it retrace if it come down. So as we see that 0.50 Fibonacci level exactly match with our lower time frame resistance support, sorry. So we expect that market come down at this level and create some sort of support at this zone, and then go above and then break this level, and then we look for the target out there. So once market come to this level here, then we look for the buy option at this point. Once market creates some sort of support on H1 or M30, then we look for the buy option at this point. Then our first target would be this zone, and then we look for this zone. Here we have a second target, because we have a hurdle here, because as we see that there is lot of noise at this zone. Market come to this level 1 2 3 4. Whenever it comes to this level, it get rejected and start ranging at this zone. So this is not a good level of buy at this zone. We once it come back down to trace at this zone, then we look for the buy option, and it would be a very good risk to reward target as well. So let's measure the how much we have risking if price come out at this level. So our stop loss would be below than this zone. Here would be our stop loss. So our risk to reward on first target is 1 ratio almost 2, and if price able to break this zone on the above side, then our risk to reward is go to 1 ratio 6. So it would be a very good risk to reward target as well. We just have to wait for the market, sorry, we just have to wait for the market to come our level here and create some sort of support at this zone. Then we look for the buy option. So let's go down to the H1 time frame and see what we have on H1. So here we have a H1 time frame. So as we see, we have a W information on H1 time frame. So as we already discussed, once we have a W information, then price come back to test this neckline. So here we have a neckline. So we are hopeful that price come back to test this neckline and create some sort of support here at this zone. And once it creates some sort of support at this zone, then we look for the buy option. And our first target would be this zone, and second target we already discussed on H4. Then this would be our second target, and it would be easily achievable target because we have a very clean traffic on the left side. So this is all we have for this pair. On the lower time frame day trade setup, we look for the buy options. Thanks.